They're out here, they're playing croquet.
You're purple. You're purple.
James officiating.
Yellow goes first. You go. Yellow
There's
goes
Keegan.
first.
You playing croquet too, Keegan?
Yep.
And a boy. His grandpa trying to win. Look at that. There's Brianna over there.
Well, he hit it. Got a shot, though.
Mike brought his kids over to.
There you get. Well, you only get. Yeah, you get two, right?
Here he is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Any questions about the rules here?
Right.
This is
We'll
where you
refer him
go.
to James. Okay. Thank you.
Very nice.
Thanks.
You got 2 shots?
Here's Amelia. She's the birthday girl.
Yeah.
We're out here playing croquet.
Yeah. The purple one.
Yeah. All right. The winner. There we are. Ran with my hat.
Right, yeah.
There we are.